Time to replace the old tire swing. I put this swing up about 10 years ago, I think, for the grandkids and for me, but I outgrew it. But the grandkids like it, but it's kind of uncomfortable when they sit in here, you know? It's hard. It's not like the old tire swings. I don't know what's up with this. Or the kids are just too big. This is a motorcycle tire off my bike. But look where I tied this rope up here 10 years ago. Come around this side. Look how much the branch grew around that. Over here. So I'm going to cut that. I'm going to release it. And that tree's going to feel so much better. Isn't that something? Relief from the tree branch. We do this. That was a good fiberglass rope. Tire swing for sale. Tire swing for sale. Oh, I didn't tell you, I'm going to replace it with something neat. It's a web swing, it's called. I guess it's for the internet. I don't know. Watch. Oh, the butterfly got petrified up there.
Oh.
I think this branch will hold. The new swing says it holds 600 pounds, so I can get on it. I might need a stool or a sample. Yeah, this goes up and over. If I could stand on something, I could go up and over with this. I'm not tall enough. You know what I mean? Look. That's what we're putting up. That'll be fun for a bunch of kids. And me. I'll show you. Sneak peek. Sneak peek! Don't fall off of this thing. Oh, that's in there. It's in there like swing wire. All right, well, a little relief there. Isn't that something how it grew around there, though? I should have a screwdriver. I should have all kinds of stuff here.
Can I get you something?
No.
It's almost cut through here.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, relief. It's really in there. All right.
It might have grew over top.
Yeah, is that gonna feel better for you, though? Good old branch. Now, is this branch gonna hold me? I think so, huh? No stinking instructions.
Let's see the front of that, what it says.
It says web swing, ages 3 and up.
Because it looks like a spider web.
Oh, web. All right. No stinking instructions. Need some tools, though. Out with the old, in with the new. One for me and one for you. And I got to put it far enough away from the tree that it doesn't swing over and conk the tree. I'm here. Look. Nice. All right. Got carabiners. And it's not really very high, is it? How do you adjust that? I need to read instructions, huh?
Yeah.
Need no stinking instructions. All right, these wrap around the tree. It says don't put it on a knot because the knot might fray through it, you know.
Could you put it over the double part?
Here,
No, the fat part.
here,
Yeah.
here,
After the,
here.
yeah.
Okay, this goes like this. Goes like that. Go like this. read them instructions for me?
I can if you want.
Yeah, read them instructions. Oh, this goes around like a belt. Here. Take a break while I read the instructions. All right, we figured it out, see? Wrap that around through the steel ring there. And there's a hole through here. We're gonna clip this through. And then it's gonna be low, but we're gonna tie a higher knot on here to bring it up to where we want it. I figured it out. What? Huh? Look. It's pretty easy if you read the instructions. That. And then we do the same thing over here. You see, it's going to be kind of low, but we're going to raise it. I'm going to wrap this around twice. Is this wide enough or wider? Wide enough, right? I just don't want it to swing into the tree. All right, I'm going to wrap this around again. This way. Through this. See, nice and strong. They ain't going nowhere.
Pull the ring to the bottom of the branch.
Put this through there. Easy, see? Solid. Now, they're a little uneven and a little low.
You can fix that.
Yeah. Let's see how high we want it now. Down here.
Well, so the kids can climb on it,
Yeah, so I can get my lawnmower through here.
and so it doesn't hit the tree,
Yeah.
which is next to it. Want me to help you with that?
Let's see. Is that a good height? A little high.
That's a little high. Go down a little.
You'll see. That's good.
Yeah.
That, we can adjust them if they're not perfectly even. I'll put a level on it. Not. And we might cut these ropes off the bottom, do you think, or just wrap them around?
Well, let's just keep them for now. If the tree grows taller, we might have to make them longer,
Yeah.
right?
This is that good fiberglass rope. It'll probably stretch a little, but we can adjust it if we have to. All right, let me straighten that side out a little bit. We could take a nap out here. Come ride a little train, through the track, to the junction. Forget about your kids. It's time to relax at the junction. That's what I thought they used to say
Kids,
when I was a little kid.
but it's cares.
Yeah. That's how I grew up. Good enough? Or
Yeah.
more on that side? Or that side?
How's it feel?
That's good. If any of my grandkids are watching, come on over and get on the swing. It's better than the tire. And you can sit here with your brother and your sister. Right? Well, it holds 600 pounds. You want to try it? Come on over. Come on over.
I'll try it, but I'm not going to jump on it like you did.
There she comes, climbing down the tree.
Oh, I'm not getting on with you.
You gotta get on the back. Yeah, you are. You gotta see if it holds 600 pounds.
But the tree might not.
The tree is stronger than thee. Swing me.
Okay, here we go.
This is
Whee!
the test.
Whee!
Come on over. It's a web swing.
Oh, it's fun. Come on,
Yeah.
guys.
All right, thanks for watching. Remember, free tire swing for sale. Get yourself one of these. It's nice. Can you jump like a? Can you jump? Woo! Hey.
There we go. Here we go. You gonna jump off?
I don't know. I might fall asleep here.
I'm gonna give you one more. There it is. Woo!
Swinging. Swinging. Now I can't jump off.
You're in
All
too
right,
deep.
I wanted to show you this. It's neat.
Yeah.
How's it look? Better than the tire swing?
Oh yeah, it's great.
I really can't get off. All right. Check that out. See? Which is better? Put this in the middle? I bet the tree likes it, huh? Should we tie up them loose ends a little bit? I think it's good for now, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Get yourself a swinger. Bye.